It's your girl, Fallout_Boys, and I'm back with another video. I'm about to show you guys how to make slime. So like, subscribe, turn notifications, comment down below. Yes, let's get right on with the video. So the ingredients you will need is glue. I'm using color glue. You will need a bowl, something to mix with. If y'all want to use glitter, I have glitter. I have a lot, but it fell out. Don't mind. And the activator. So yeah, so I'm gonna pour my glue in. So let's pour some glue in. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to set this up. And yeah, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna pour my glue in. I'm not gonna make too much because I already made some already. Then I'm going to add my green glitter. Like this kind of glitter. So y'all gonna mix that up. So alright, so in the bathroom, as y'all can see, don't turn slime. As y'all can see, it's turning slime. So it's working. It's working, y'all. Oh, Jesus. It came out the bowl, y'all. It fell out the bowl. And y'all see the glitter through it? It's so pretty. So I think I need a little bit more rice. Y'all don't have to follow me if y'all want. Y'all don't have to follow me. Y'all can add your own thing. Like Tide, Green. I don't know if I said it right. Green. I don't know. But don't mind me. Eric. Y'all can use it with that. Now what? So mine is like clumping up. So I'm about to add a little tip of water to it. Oh, that's too much. That is too much water. So I'm trying to make the slime turn jiggly. So I need to mix well. So that's carboset. That's carboset. Mine is working very well. I know y'all can't see. Mine is working very, very well. But it's barely even picking up because it's getting to slime now. So yeah. I need a little. Okay, so I think that the amount I need, y'all. So that's the time when I'm about to start kneading my slime, y'all. So I'm about to turn off the light. Oh, these are some more fell. Push me to the edge. as y'all can see the slime. I made a little bit bigger. Made a little bigger slime. But I made a ready slime, as y'all can see. Hold on, let me show y'all. But I'm gonna add it with this. So yeah. So let's add it with it. Now I'm gonna have a big slime. And look how it stretched. And it stretched so big. If y'all hear that music, don't mind. Ooh, that almost fell. I'm gonna add some lotion to this. Have to hurry up before my grandma comes. Alright, so it turns slimy stuff. I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back in the bowl. Oh, this is too much slime. And plus, I'm making slime to my mother. So, but at least I'm selling this slime. I'm selling this slime to my sissies at school. If y'all watching this video, Kamoras, yes, y'all getting this slime. Y'all are going to be getting this slime. Peace and peace for Kamora and Kamora. But if one of y'all don't get it, one of the Kamoras don't get it, sorry. I'm gonna give it to the baby Janaya. Usha Marie. So peace for Kamora, my sissy, my besties, my best sissies. But I mostly, my best sissy out those two Kamora is the Kamora without the H. Without the H. That's my best sissy. So yeah. So Kamora without the H is gonna get peace, and I don't know if I'm gonna give the one with the H. I think I'm maybe gonna give it to Janaya or Shamari. Shout out to those 4 people, Janaya, Shamari, and the 2 Kamoras. Shout out to them. So y'all, I'm making this slime for y'all. Hey. Okay, so I'm trying to get this. Don't mind that 4 noise. It's the slime. Alright, so thank you for watching. Peace.